hummus is delicious, and I love having it on hand. We got some ground beef here. Why don't we do loaded hummus? I've got some spices, some other fun topping ideas. This is gonna be great.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
All right, we've got our store-bought hummus. Now it's time to jazz it up. Let's get this pan going a little bit. My nemesis, the onion. The onion strikes again. I need onion insurance. We got a hot pan here. We're gonna hit the hot pan with some olive oil. All right, onions go in. Here we go. That onion and I have had many battles. I'm so sad to see it all cut up like that. All right, we're gonna hit our onions with some salt. This is gonna help draw out the moisture. We'll hit it with some pepper also. We've got some cumin, just a touch of cinnamon, a little bit of onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder. So now that I have all my spices in there, we can mix up our onions just a little bit. Our onions have cooked down a little bit. They're translucent, but they're not yet caramelized. So this is the perfect time to put in our ground beef. We've got so many flavors from the spices, so any kind of ground meat will work, even plant-based meat. I wanna mix it around, and the onions and all their delicious spices will flavor the beef. This is an ancient Midwestern technique. We gotta salt and pepper our beef. Here we go. Lower our heat a little bit and just let this do its thing. We can get even more free flavor from the packaged red pepper flakes. While that cooks, I'm gonna prep some other ingredients. We're gonna top off our loaded hummus with parsley, which is fresh and fantastic, also super robust. So let's chop that up first. Take our parsley right here. A tomato. This could be a cherry tomato, it could be a cucumber, it can really be whatever you got. I'm gonna get some slices like this. Our beef is ready now. So we've got everything all prepped out. Now all we have to do is assemble. It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. All the ingredients are ready, and now we get to transform this hummus into something that looks absolutely fantastic. I've got a plate here. Boom, boom. Now it's more than a plate. It's a hummus serving platter. This was my magic spoon. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a whole bunch of hummus, and we're gonna put it right onto the plate like this. It's all coming out. So I'm trying to basically move the hummus out to the edge of the plate while creating a lip that'll hold in all of our toppings. We're gonna hit this with some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna come in with some beef and onion. Here we go. You can see how this is sort of like a cradle to hold all of the flavors that we've created. Fresh tomatoes coming on top. Here we go, we've got some olives. These are briny, they're fantastic, they're meaty, they're like the ultimate complement to beef. We're gonna hit it with a whole bunch of yogurt right now. This is gonna give us a nice cooling situation. And we've got parsley. It rains green in California. A little paprika. This went from that boring container of hummus to this fabulous looking loaded hummus. And of course, we've got some pita chips. If you had company coming over, this would be really impressive. It's only $2.81 a serving, and that's a deal. And it was so easy to put together. Let's dig in. Pita chip, ta-da, check. We'll come in right here on the side. Here we go. Oh man. It's salty, it's beefy, it's creamy from that store-bought hummus. It is filling, it is delicious. I love it. This is a really adaptable dish. It's really versatile, and you can pretty much serve it for anything that you want. Starting a meal, appetizer. Entire meal, main. Every single bite is absolutely delicious. This is a winner.